Hey YouTube, back with another video. Your boy Vince here. Today we at the gun range, starting off with a Chris Vector. It's gonna be my first time shooting a rifle, first time. And here we also got a Glock 45. So we're gonna start with these two, and then we're gonna show off some more later. Okay? So let's get straight to it. Let's do it. All right, YouTube. Now we in the lane. My first time gonna shoot this Chris Vector. You know, if you play Call of Duty, it's really gonna remind you of the Fennec. Really beautiful. You know, I picked it up because it looks just like the Fennec to me. But I also got a Glock 45 here. We're gonna start with this one. All right, let's go. And I'm not the biggest shooter. I know I'm gonna have a lot of criticism from you guys. You know, I'm still in training. I'm not the biggest, but I can shoot. All right. Let me know what I need to change, what I need to fix in the comments. Okay, guys? Let's go. Glock 45. Alright guys, the Glock 45 is pretty good. I'm really enjoying it. It's pretty strong, got a nice kick to it. I'm used to the 19, I shoot that a lot, but I enjoyed it. It was a really good shot. Alright, just getting warmed up, you know what I'm saying? But now we're finna go into this Vector. I'm so excited. My first time really shooting a rifle, and I think I'm really going to enjoy this. Okay.
You look right through it. Perfect.
That's good shit. Take it back to the drill. That's a good shit, though. I ain't gonna lie. Oh man, that was amazing. That was amazing, man. That was one of the best shooting I ever had, man. This right here, Chris Vector, man. If you play Call of Duty, you know it's gonna be the Fennec, but this right here, man, this is amazing. Good shot, good shooting. All right, we're gonna get 1 or 2 more guns. See us popping with them, and then we'll be right back. All right. Yeah, I know this is where I'm supposed to aim. I know this is the target, but me, this is where I go for. Like, if you ever think about rob me, just think about that. Like, I only go for this. The rest of this, it don't really matter to me. I might go there if I have to. I really go for this. All right, let's go. Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Loading up this thing of a beauty right here. This is absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to shoot this, man. This is beautiful. Gonna have a hell of a time. Got 3 modes right there. Man, we finna have some fun today. Already? My cameraman is telling me that he think he could be shooting. I think I tell him I got like 1,000 in cash on me right now.
I bet you $1,000.
I got 1,000 on me right now.
But 5 guns on you.
I'm finna bet him. I don't know. He think he got me.
Shake on it?
He think he got me.
Okay.
Should be a little over 1,000.
Bad.
Finna go for it. Alright? I know y'all can see me and my cameraman made a bet, but we're gonna make a part 2 where we're gonna go ahead and finish this bet. I was running a little late on time, so we didn't get a chance to finish this bet. So I'm gonna go first.
Hey, don't let the money fly.
Alright.
To the top.
I'm gonna go first. He gonna go after me. All right.
Beyond guns only though. I said John Wick.
Iron guns only.
Beyond guns.
I ain't no fun, man.
You want to use a big gun?
Big guns.
You know. You want to choose the big one? Huh?
Yeah, I think.
Big one would be good.
Alright, now I know a lot of people are gonna criticize me. Like I say, I only shoot Glocks. It's my first time shooting any type of gun other than a Glock. So, like I said, let me know what I'm doing wrong. Let me know what I'm doing right. Leave it in the comments. Thank you.
I see what you mean. You have to have this off. Yeah.
Fuck. Okay. So this one right here, man, speaks for itself. I know you guys can see this was amazing. This is like crazy. I definitely have to check out like what I gotta do to get one of these. I love it. You know what I'm saying? It can go with a drum too. It had a drum on it earlier, but this is even nice. Got some brass shots in there, and it felt amazing. But like I say, I'm more of a Glock guy, but I definitely had a lot of fun today shooting these guns. I'll show you all the video with the 19 later, and I might do one or two. I don't know how I'm feeling today. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what you think about this amazing guys, alright? I know I'm gonna miss this shot. It's fun while it lasted. Ready? It was fun while we lasted. Now I'm running late for a meeting I have to leave, so you have to leave now. But thank you guys for watching. Alright?